Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this package that I got from Takealot. I must say I've been wanting to order from Takealot for such a long time, and I'm really excited now that I've received the package. So I just want to see what's inside. Drum rolls please. So it's a polygel nail kit, and I've been waiting for so long to order it. I've wanted to do nails for a really long time, and I must say I was not disappointed. It was worth it. Even though it was a bit pricey, it was worth it. This kit comes with 6 polygel of different colors. I must say that I really like the polygels. They're nice to work with, even though they're very sticky, but the colors are very sheer. Even though it's still very nice working with them. And then there is also dual forms. The dual forms are 100 piece of different sizes. It also comes with a top coat and a base coat and a dual lamp. Now the lamp is the disappointing factor in this whole kit, because I have to spend more than 2 minutes trying to cure my nails, and that shouldn't be the way that it goes. I mean, it should be a 60-second maximum process, and I could literally spend the whole day trying to cure my nails. So I think one thing that I would replace is one thing I need to say is that they did put the nail pegs. They did include the nail pegs, but I ended up not using them because I find that it squeezes all my product right out, and I'm still trying to figure out where I stand with this polygel nail kit. So I do not want to rush into using everything. Now comes my nail art, or my, what do they call them again? But it's my jewelry. Oh my word, it's my jewelry. I must say I really love my jewelry. Is it jewelry? What is it? Is it rhinestones? Please correct me down in the comment section below what this is, but I know that it's like these dots, these diamonds. I really love them. I'm so happy about what they put. I must definitely speak about these polygels though. I feel robbed. In a way, I kind of feel robbed. Takealot, I feel robbed. Because when they were being advertised on screen on the Takealot website, they just displayed them and made them to seem like really big. But then when I bought them, they were really small. I was like, why are they so small? Like, am I going to be able to take actual clients with these polygels? Like I said, these dual forms are for people with smaller sized fingers, and they're not really for people who have large fingers. And I feel like that's a bit unfair because they did not give me an option to decide whether I wanted a bigger size or a smaller size. That I got the nail kit from. But otherwise, other than that, I'm very happy. If you do